discerning drivers will appreciate the 2010 Nissan Versa. This four-door, five-passenger hatchback provides exceptional value. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear window wiper, a tachometer, and more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.